I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home too.
Hey loves, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. And it is officially November, which means that we can start decorating for Christmas. It is my favorite time of year. It really is. I love all the Christmas festivities, the decorations, the music, the movies. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to turn on some music, some Christmas music, a Christmas movie, probably Elf, because that is my favorite Christmas movie. Let me know which one is yours. And I'm just going to take down some decorations, clear the space, start cleaning, and start decorating. So I'm not going to do the entire house. I'm just going to start in certain areas because I go a little crazy and I decorate just about every room in the house. Last year we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Christmas trees, and this year I don't know if I'm going to be putting up all of them, but I'm going to attempt. So today is going to start the series of decorating, and I'm going to break this down into several videos to make it easier, and I just want to enjoy it. So we're going to be doing a clean and decorate with me, and joining me today is also going to be my friend Brianna. This is going to be a collaboration, and I'm so excited because I love her so much. She is so sweet, she is so beautiful, and she's also going to be doing a clean and decorate with me video over on her channel. So make sure to subscribe and head on over, let her know that I sent you, and you guys are going to absolutely love her too. She is so sweet. I love how she is just such like a family gal. Like, she's always with her kids doing a bunch of different things. She has a really cute channel. She's often doing like cleaning. She does like day in the life vlog style videos if you guys like those. She's also really stylish and she's just so cute. I love her. If you guys are not mommies or if you don't have like a big family, I still recommend for you guys to check her out because she is just so cute. She's so knowledgeable in all different things, and I feel like because of her, I have learned so many of her like her tips and tricks when it comes to like cleaning, or when it comes to like cooking, or just like style in general. So you guys will love her. Make sure to check her out. And now let's get started. I really want to get started in the office, and let me show you guys what it looks like over here so far because it's kind of a hot mess. We got some PR packages that came in. I've been working on my sticker shop, and then I just had to switch out this printer because this printer actually broke down on me. I called HP service and they gave me a discount for a new one since my warranty ran out, which is nice. So I just replaced it, so that has to go. And then we just have like some things that I need to get rid of, and there's just our packages and never fails. I still have to open up a couple more. Let's open up the blinds in here. Yes, here we go. Yeah, we have, I just accumulate shoes right there. I don't know why, I just do. I just really want to decorate this office. This is where I'm at the majority of the time. This is where I work from. So I want this to look really nice and beautiful and just very Christmassy. And so when I come in, I just want it to look good. So excited to begin this series, and I wanted to start in my office because I work here all the time. This is where I'm at, and I want to make this really special. And this year I wanted to break the videos up by different room when it comes to decorating instead of decorating the entire house, because I didn't want to feel rushed. I didn't want to feel stressed out. I feel like I really enjoy decorating every single year because it's magical. It only happens one time a year, and so it allows me to really enjoy all of my decorations early on and take my time with each room. And this is like therapeutic for me. I really enjoy it. So I was just thinking that it would be great if I just broke it up into several different videos and concentrated on each room, so that way I could fully enjoy it. I really enjoy watching the process of the way that things get cleaned up and the room changes and then you decorate it. That's why these are some of my favorite videos, and I could totally see why they're so popular. I also like to be nosy and see how people store things. It also just, you know, fulfills my curiosity. So now I am just exchanging the printers because this one had to go. I think Ricardo said he's going to take it to his office because he doesn't have to be super accurate with the way that it prints out because it was was printing out sideways, so that's totally fine. And now I'm just tidying up a bit, getting rid of everything that is on this desk. I feel like it's never clean. I always have so many things on top, so many random things, but that's okay because I do clean it pretty often. I just have to make sure that everything is in its place.
The leaves are turning brown. I'm still looking for you. The snow is falling down. I'm still searching for you. I never thought it through. Always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you.
Earlier today, I was making more stickers and restocking my sticker shop. This is where I make all my stickers. I make them by hand, and I usually have someone come and help me, so I needed to clean this up. And if you guys are new to my channel and you didn't know, I do have an online stationery sticker shop. It's called planwithbelinda.com, and they sell out almost immediately. So I do suggest that if you guys want to get notified and find out when they release, make sure to follow me on my Instagram account. It's Belinda Selene, and my sticker shop's Instagram is Plan with Belinda.
A storm has just begun, and I'm still looking for you. The storm will hunt us down, but it won't keep me from finding you. I never thought it through. Always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you.
Now, I'm sure you guys already know this, but this is hands down the best vacuum when it comes to hardwood floors. If you guys don't have one, definitely try to get one around this time of year because this is when they go on sale. This is the very first model that they ever came out with, and it's been working really great. I'll have one link down below for you guys just in case they're on sale. These were all the packages that were in the hallway. Also, my Vitamix came in. I ordered one in the mail and I was telling you guys over on Instagram stories. I was so excited. So I will be making some recipes and sharing them with you guys. Now that our office is clean and everything's off the floor, let's get those decorations out. All right, let's go downstairs. Alright, so in here is our storage room, and I am quite proud of this because it just looks so nice and it's so much easier to decorate. If you guys don't have clear bins, switch everything to clear bins. And if you guys have just like the regular bins, make sure to label them. I eventually want to transition and get all clear bins, but I've already had these. I don't want to just throw them away. So I'll use them, but I will say that I go through these a lot more because I don't know what's inside of them, and I'll take them out, put them back in, take them out, put it back in when I'm decorating, so that's a headache. So eventually I want to get all clear ones, and I actually made these myself just with regular printing paper and either Avery sticker sheet paper or Avery shipping labels, and I just literally typed it up, put a little, you know, border around them, and that way I know where everything belongs. So it's Christmas. This is our Disney tree. We have the living room, the chimney, or the mantle, should I say, Christmas crafts. So these are just like things like ribbon and things for projects. We have a blue tree, that's Halloween. And then we have this one, which is pink decor. And this is the one that's going to go in the office. And I think just that one. tree, you guys are gonna die. It is so cute. I am such a girly girl and I love anything with tulle and pink and anything with glitter, and I feel like this tree is that, but it's also a little bit more sophisticated, and I think it looks really pretty and really nice in this office. And I found all of these decorations from At Home. If you guys don't have a store near you, look it up and try and find one, because I love how everything is displayed in their store, because everything is color coordinated and you can easily find different themes and different colors, and it's just so easy. So this one right here comes with a little stand, which makes things so much easier because it's bottom heavy, that way it won't tip over or anything like that. And I love that it kind of reminds me of a Charlie Brown tree, which is like a tree that is a bit sparse. It doesn't have as many branches, but I really love the look of that. I think it looks a little bit more natural, even though it is pink. I just love the way that it looks. Over the past few years, after setting up many different trees, I noticed that it's a lot easier when you put down the branches from the bottom first and then you spread them out left to right and up and down, instead of just like laying them flat, because it'll give them a little bit more naturalness and it looks a little bit more full, if that makes sense, especially if you do have a sparse tree like this. So it does help out. And then I'll go on to the next one, but I look at it several different ways. Like sometimes I'll get up and make sure that it looks right, and then I'll get back to it just so that it looks kind of even from all angles. So there I am once again. Does help out that I have categorized each bin to a room and to a certain location, because that way if there are decorations that I notice that I haven't picked up in the past couple of years, that when it comes to decorations, then I'll put it aside and I'll either donate it or I'll give it to one of my friends or my family members to see if they want them, and that way I can make room for decorations that I really do love. So over time I'll just keep going through my things, and that way you don't create clutter and you keep the things that you really love. For example, this Nutcracker is just so adorable. He's so cute and stands out. I wanted to see if I can go back to At Home and see if I can find another one, because I want him in our living room too. I'm not sure what our decorations for our living room are going to be like yet, but I have an idea and I'm super excited.
To the nights, I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
Got all these ornaments from At Home last year, and I was there recently when they were putting up their Christmas items, and I noticed that they kept a lot of the same ornaments, so you guys can still find them in store today, and I just love the way that it looks. I found all these in the same section because they are color coordinated, and so I have like the little Paris Eiffel Tower, which just brings back so many memories from when we went to Paris. That trip is so dear to my heart, and so anything Paris theme I always gravitate towards. Then we have these little swans and also these really cute ballerinas. I am going to go back and pick up another one because she is just so cute. I love these nutcrackers. The Nutcracker Ballet is one of my all-time favorites. I cried when I saw it last year, and I want to go again this year with all my girls. And you guys asked me on Instagram stories where I got this little Starbucks ornament, and Starbucks actually comes out with different ornaments each year. I don't know if they'll have the same one again this year, but it might still be available in store. Here is a transition of what it looked like before and afterwards, which just makes it feel so airy and bright and festive, and I absolutely love it in here. I wanted to make sure that all the colors that were in the office were very neutral, because when I come in here I want to feel at peace and I don't want to feel overwhelmed with clutter or like colors that are too bright. And so I feel like all of this just fits my decor already, since my office is white and pink and has like those really beautiful like gold accent colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you guys don't miss out on how I'm going to be decorating the living room and our bedroom and the kitchen. And hopefully you guys enjoy this series. I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.